This week's Stamping Nail Art collab theme is the weather where you are from. So of course I'm in Miami, so the weather is always sunny here. So I am using these EC basket press on nails, and they're the coffin shape, and I did a ombre of yellow and pink, and those are two Zoya polishes, and Zoya Darcy and Zoya Cana. And on the other nails I just did a blue, and this is Zoya Yummy. The first stamping plate I'm gonna use is from Born Pretty store, and it's BP31, and I'm gonna use the image of these palm trees. I am using Pueen Blackjack stamping polish, and I'm using this clear jelly stamper. So I pick up the image of the trees, and I'm gonna stamp that image on the ombre nails. And I forgot to mention that on the ombre nails I did add Orly holographic glitter topper, so it could be super sparkly. So that is what I'm going to do to the ombre nails. The second stamping plate I am using is from the Kawaii Emoji Bundle Monster XL321, and I want to use the image of the sun. So I'm gonna use black stamping polish to pick it up, and then I will sorry guys, I will fill it in with that same yellow polish, so it could be a bright yellow sun. And I love how this sun looks because it has some shades and it looks super cute. After I filled it in, I let it dry for a minute, and then it's time to stamp it onto my nails when it's a little tacky. So I did stay with the cloud too, because it is sunny and cloudy here, and they have a cute little face. And off camera I did some abstract lines and polka dots, and I did add some other white clouds, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick manicure, and I will see you guys in the next one. And make sure to check out the other ladies' designs out too. Their links will be in the description box below. See you guys in the next one. Bye.